How to remove email address from a Snapchat account. For that, open Snapchat, and now you have to tap on Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Once you are here, tap on settings icon at top right corner of the screen. As you can see the email address, open the email address. So let me remind you that there is no any option available here in order to remove your email address that you have previously made from this email address, the Snapchat account of yours. So in order to remove, only what you can do is you need to select this email address and you can add the other email address that you have created. That's the only way you can do to remove your email address. There is no other specific feature that allows to remove email address directly. So you can simply replace it with the other one but cannot permanently delete it. So that's how we remove email address from Snapchat account. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.